Explore the wonders of clove water. Despite their small size, cloves boast immense health benefits, and have been revered in Ayurvedic medicine for ages due to their potent antifungal, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. Starting your day with clove water can revitalize and energize you, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Experience the benefits firsthand by making clove water a part of your morning routine. 1. Improves digestion. Numerous compounds in clove water are known to address digestive problems like stomach ulcers. By promoting the secretion of digestive enzymes, clove water aids in breaking down food and facilitating digestion. If you struggle with persistent constipation or stomach gas, consider incorporating clove water into your routine. 2. Prevents cancer. Many studies have proven that clove water can stop the growth of cancerous cells and also induce cancer cell death. Clove water has been found effective against esophageal cancer due to its compound eugenol. The antioxidants in clove water can fight cancer cells and inhibit inflammation too. Studies have also shown that clove water can stop the growth of cancer cells in the liver. 3. Protects the liver. Clove water has a high amount of antioxidants which can help protect the body from harmful free radicals. If not taken care of, these free radicals can affect the liver adversely. 4. Controls diabetes. Clove water has been used in medicine to control and treat diabetes in Ayurveda. They can match the effects of insulin, which makes them effective in regulating the sugar levels in the blood. Diabetic patients can include clove water in their diet as they do not produce sufficient insulin. 5. Boosts the immune system. Clove water has been used traditionally for decades in Ayurvedic medicines to strengthen the immune system. They can stimulate the growth of white blood cells in the body. When the body produces more white blood cells, it can fight any infection better. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. The eugenol found in clove water has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These can be used in treating inflammation in the mouth and throat. People who drink clove water regularly have lower chances of developing arthritis than people who do not. 7. Help in weight loss. Clove water is a popular dietary supplement that helps with weight loss. Some of the benefits of clove water include reducing food cravings, helping you feel fuller for longer, and boosting your metabolism. 8. Relieves stress. If you have been tired and constantly stressed out, try clove water. Cloves have a calming effect on the nerves, which can relieve stress. They help in generating more stress-regulating hormones and lift the mood. 9. Promote healthy bones. Clove water can be used to protect bone mass and impact bone density. This can be helpful for people who are age above 50 and experience bone mass problems. 10. Promote skin health. Acne is caused by the accumulation of bacteria, which can eventually become painful if not treated. The antibacterial properties in clove water can destroy these acne-causing bacteria. How to make clove water for drinking. Making clove water in the morning is a great way to start your day with a burst of fresh, aromatic energy. Not only does it smell terrific, but it also has some healing properties. Here's how to do it. What you need: 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon of clove, 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional. Preparation: add 1 teaspoon of ground cloves to 1 cup of water. Boil the water until it reaches a boil and then turn off the heat. Allow the mixture to cool slightly and then drink it.